Safe in a Storm. Written by Stephen R. Swinburne and illustrated by Jennifer A. Bell. When the storm rumbles loudly and the sky turns to ink, snuggle close, my little mole, touch noses warm and pink. When the clouds grow darker and the rain pelts and stings, I'm here, my little duck, keep warm beside my wings. As the storm begins to pound, making mountains of the sea, dive deep, my little whale, swim safely next to me. Across the savannah, clouds grow black and blue. Don't worry, my little giraffe, I'll watch over you. While the wind, rain, and mist hide the pack from view, close your eyes, my little wolf, I'm right here with you. When the winds howl and blow with all their might, hang on, my little sloth, I've got you, hold tight. While the raging storm bends every branch on the tree, snuggle close, my little owl, between the big tree and me. The hurricane winds lash at the ledge where we hide. Cuddle near, my little bobcat, safe by my side. Across the meadow, the wild winds do not cease. Nuzzle deep, my little lamb, close to my fleece. The big gale sways our tree from side to side. Be still, my little chimp, pretend it's a ride. The winds moan outside the den we have dug. Hush now, my little bear, inside we're all snug. The rain splashes around, making rivers run high. Stay cozy, my little rabbit, our burrows all dry. A storm will always end. Don't worry and sleep tight. I'll be right here, my little one. I love you. Good night.